Welcome back. What we're now going to do is create a page where we are going to house our content, or where the member is going to access what it is that we put together our membership for. And so what we're going to do is we're going to create a new page. Now we could just as well create a new post also. So we're going to click Add New, and we're going to give this page a name. Now what we want to do with this page is we want to make sure this page is protected. And so what we're going to do is we're going to click Protected. We're then going to select the membership level that can access this content. And so what we're going to do is we're going to select our product. We're then going to click Apply Settings. So what we're now going to do is we're now going to create an area for our member to download. And so we're going to create a block here, and we're going to create a button. We're going to create text for our button. Then we're going to paste the URL of our content. We can go inside of our media library. We can click on the file, and then we can copy the entire link and head back now to our page. And what we're going to do is we're going to paste our URL. Once we do that, we can save. And then if we're ready to publish the file, we can do that. We can also add in content from our folder. So this time we're going to add another button. We're going to write in our button text. And now we're going to grab our URL. We're now going to grab the link to our file. And we're going to head back to our WordPress installation. We're going to paste in our URL. We're going to make sure to take out our public HTML. Once we do that, we're then going to click Save to Draft. And then we're going to publish. So now what we have is a product page that is specific to a membership level. We also have content that is specific to that level in Wishlist members. That means that the page is protected. It also means that the content on the page is protected also. So the question is, what would happen if we copy the link of the page and we went to a private browser and we tried to pull up the page? So what we're going to do here is we're going to place our link and we're going to paste it. And what you're going to notice is that we now have our message that our content is for members only. Please register or log in order to access the content. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.